and it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making my famous beef jollof rice. So I'm going to list the ingredients up on the screen so you can have a look. So the first thing we're going to do is to put our oil in our pan and fry our onions. So we're going to fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes until like it's just a little bit golden. And then we're going to put in our salted beef. Make sure that you wash the salted beef really well before you put it in your fried onion because it's very salty. So after putting the salted beef in there, we're going to fry that for about 10 minutes. So as you can see guys, our beef has been frying for about 10 minutes. It's nicely cooked. So we are going to be putting in our pepper mix. In here I've got scotch bonnet. I used 2. I used 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic and a little piece of ginger. So I'm going to leave that to fry for about 15 minutes, just until like all the water has dried out and that strong onion smell has left. So yeah, just fry it for about 10-15 minutes. And then it'll be time for us to put in our seasoning. So for seasoning, we're using nutmeg. I don't really measure my seasoning, to be honest. I just eyeball it. So just put as much as you think you need. And then I'm going to be using shrimp Maggi. I put 2 of that in there, and then after that I'm going to be putting some aroma, and then I'm going to stir it all up and leave it to cook for a further 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes it's time to put in my tomato paste. So I'm using Gino. I really like using Gino. So I'm using 2 large spoons of it. And yeah, I'm going to be using about 3 or 4 cups of rice, hence why I'm not using the whole tin because it's quite a big tin. So anyway, after that I'm gonna stir it all in, make sure that it's all mixed in well, and then I'm gonna leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. This is the consistency that I'm looking for, guys. As you can see, it's mixed in well and all the water has drained out. So now what I'm going to be doing is to be putting in my chopped tomatoes. So I'm just going to be using 1 tin. This is actually peeled tomatoes, so I just blended that and I'm gonna pour that in, and then yeah, I'm gonna leave it to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, jollof rice takes ages to cook. If you want your jollof rice to taste good, you need to like make sure that the stew is cooked properly. So yeah, I take almost, I think, more than an hour to cook my stew. So yeah, this is just the hard bit of baking the jollof rice. After this, the easy bit, which is obviously putting in the rice. So after putting the rice in, as I said, I used 3 cups of rice. I'm gonna just stir that in, and then I'm gonna put 2 cups of water. I don't cook my jollof rice with a lot of water because I don't like my jollof rice to be soggy. So I start with a little amount of water, and then when I see that my jollof rice needs more water, then I add more water. So my jollof rice has been cooking for about 15 minutes. As you can see, all the water has drained out, but I'm not going to be putting more water. What I'm going to do is to cover it with some foil and just keep it on low heat and then let that cook on its own. So yeah guys, as you can see, my jollof rice is cooked. So the cooking process of after I put the rice in took about 35 minutes. Overall, it took me an hour and a half to cook the jollof rice from start to finish. So yeah, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. As you can see, it's not soggy, and yeah, it's just so perfect. So you can eat this with anything that you like. I'm literally just gonna eat it like that on its own because I've got some beef in there, but you can serve it with some salad, chicken, whatever thing that you like to have it with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next.
Bye.